Pharmigene established in 2005. Pharmigene is a professional manufacturer of in vitro diagnostic kits with capabilities of R&D, manufacturing, and OEM/ODM. Pharmigene's core technologies are from academia in Taiwan and granted exclusive global patent rights. GMP is an essential criteria for the qualification of medical device manufacture by Ministry of Health and Welfare Taiwan. GMP certification is needed to produce the device which can apply to clinical use. Pharmigene product was exclusively licensed from Academia Sinica, include HLB-1502 gene detection kit, a gene marker linked to adverse drug reaction of carbamazepine, drug for epilepsy treatment. HLA-B50A01 gene detection kit, a gene marker linked to adverse drug reaction of allopurinol, a gout medicine, and the warfarin gene detection kit, a gene set linked to an anticoagulant, warfarin, dosage adjustment. In addition, Pharmigene keeps searching actionable pharmacogenomics targets from authorized pharmacogenomics database worldwide and translates to in vitro diagnostic kit. For example, HLB-5701 gene detection kit, a gene marker links to adverse drug reaction to abacavir, drug for HIV treatment. The reason why Pharmigene keeps developing products related to pharmacogenomics is based on the statistical data of drug injury relief of Taiwan. In the last 10 years, the first place of drug injury relief record is the drug of hyperuricemia treatment, allopurinol. It accumulated to over 140 cases in the last 10 years. The case number sounds small, however, it's probably just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, more people would not realize it is drug allergy when it happens, and even doctors misjudge the symptom. The severe drug reaction not caused by allopurinol is what we call the Stevens-Johnson syndrome. It is a symptom which results in whole body skin ulceration, including eyes, intestinal tract, and the reproductive system, and could even be fatal in some cases and always comes with serious sequelae. Pharmigene not only develops and manufactures our own product, but also provides CDMO services to help the emerging biotechnology industry in Taiwan. We can often see there's a great idea from these emerging biotech companies at the beginning stage. After creating a prototype, they do not have enough capital, staff, facilities to set up a GMP qualified factory. However, through the CDMO service provided by Pharmigene, we could quickly help them bring their products to the clinical market. The foundry projects we are currently working on include the cancer screening gene test kits, such as gene maceration, and the production of the cell culture medium for cell therapy. We are now offering a variety of CDMO services now. Pharmigene's products have acquired IVD license, which is an authority of IVD manufacturing. With the license, products could be sold and used in medical institutes. Moreover, we also require product certification from all around the world, including China, Europe, Singapore, Korea, Hong Kong, and Thailand. Our product meets the regulation requirements from the areas above and could be legally sold and bring to the market worldwide. Since inception, Pharmigene has won many awards, including the Taipei Biotech Award, the Dawn Award, and the Symbol of National Quality. It's worth to mention that in 2015, we received the National Innovation Award of the biotech industry from IBMI, which recognizes our success in the 10th year of Pharmigene and proves the huge effort we put into our product development, manufacturing, and sales. For Pharmigene, the fact that our diagnostic kit has now been selling worldwide for over 10 years shows that we are making a good contribution to the biotechnology industry. It is our goal to show the world about Taiwanese brand. Pharmigene will keep providing the highest quality of diagnostic reagents and let Taiwanese brand continue to shine in the global market.